Wait a second, that's not even possible.
I'm pretty sure I can do a wheelie if I just floor it.
Oh, the suspension too. Don't forget about that. You can take this baby off-road.
These brakes are amazing. There's no way this is that fast. Can you get a high-speed scooter for less than $1,000? Today, that is what we're going to find out. Hey, everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. I have two of my nephews. We have Will and Brett. These guys have been riding scooters for years and electric bikes, so I brought them in to see just how good the SX10 is. So we have some pretty high expectations.
I got some high expectations.
What's the fastest you've been on a scooter so far?
I've been 43.
43?
Yeah.
40s.
40s? They say this will do 40, so we're going to put it to the test, and then you guys are going to find out, or maybe Brett will find out if it goes 40. I'll find out if it goes 20. You can find out if it goes 30, and then Brett will take it to 40. I'm terrified of 40. So anyway, let's go ahead. We're going to unbox it. We'll put it together. We'll take it for a spin, and like we always do, grade it on fit, form, and function. So we're back. It wasn't the easiest scooter to put together. I mean, we've assembled some that it's just flip up the handlebars and you're good to go. This one we had to do a little more. Like, what did we have to do?
We gotta do the
The fenders?
The fenders, and then just putting on this was just more pain in the ass than the other ones.
Yeah, this was a little more involved. Yeah. But there are things that we like about it. But let's talk about the styrofoam. That stuff is everywhere. And it gets stuck on the scooter too.
Yeah.
So that's not a good thing. But we like the look.
It looks good.
Yeah, the orange is nice on it.
That's gold.
We like this, what this looks like. So your LCD screen, it's colorful, yellow and white and green. You got your voltage right here. So we got 54 volts left in this huge battery right here that you get two chargers for.
Now, and I was pretty impressed. You got two chargers straight out of the box.
Yeah.
Normally, you'd have to go and buy a second charger.
So with this one, hop on it and see what the suspension is like. Somebody just do some jump on it. And just see, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
See, that's a big bonus right there.
Yeah, that's responsive.
Okay, so we've got the light on. It's a nice day. We're going to spend some time on this, and then we will come back, and of course, we'll grade this on fit, form, and function. But first, let's get these boys on the scooter.
Yeah. Sick. Let's go right.
I'll try to keep up with you.
It's on the lowest one too.
Okay. So tell me what you think about it. What do you like?
The suspension feels better than another scooter. And it's quick off the line. Like, I'm pretty sure I can do a wheelie if I just floor it, which is kind of exhilarating.
So you feel the power.
Yeah, you can feel the power for sure.
What about the brakes? Are the brakes good?
The brakes are strong.
Oh, okay, yeah. Heck yeah.
But it's got a little classic horn.
Okay. Brett didn't like the throttle. He thought that was weird.
I think he's just used to everything else. This one feels natural pretty much. If you hit the double, you feel it though. The dual, the red button. That's when I can feel it now.
So what are the pluses?
The pluses on this thing, I like the color, black and gold, some of my favorite colors. I like the dual charger. You can charge it probably within 4 to 6 hours is what I'm thinking. Oh, the suspension too. Don't forget about that. You can take this baby off-road. So it'd be perfect for some trails or something.
Yeah, and then there's one thing you didn't like.
This little guy right here. I don't like the throttle on it. That's just it works good. It's just in a bad spot, I think.
But other than that, you think it's a winner?
Bike. Yeah, it's a winner for the price tag for sure. I like how there's an eco and a turbo mode. So I guess I wouldn't ever use eco mode. I like going fast. Yeah. But I mean, I guess if people want to go a little slower and have a boring life, it's up there for you.
All right, let's hit it. Hit it hard. Let's see how it goes.
I got to change modes.
Well, the boys are gone, so it's just me and you and the scooter from Leoout. And yes, I did contact the company. That is officially how you pronounce it. You're going to hear it different ways on the YouTube, but it's actually pronounced Leoout. That's what the company says. Okay, so we have our voltage monitor right here, which is really, really, really cool. We have our light system right here. We have turn signals. I think we've showed you this already, have we? Yeah, just very, very quickly. There you go. If you look at the end of the board, see how that is blinking? And you've got one. You got the light on right there. So it blinks in the back. It illuminates in the front. We'll turn that off. Here's your horn. There you go. You have eco mode, which will limit your speed to about 15 miles per hour. You have single or dual mode right here. Single motor, dual motor. Absolutely. Let's give her some power. Right up here, this is your mode. Okay, gear 1, 2, or 3. So we're going to start off in 1 because I am older. Okay, we're going to keep it. Does it change? Oh, we're kilometers per hour. Okay, let me change this real quick and we'll come back and get it to miles per hour. Okay, if you want to switch it, you hold the mode and the power button right here and you can switch this to miles per hour. So the kids, the boys, have traveled about 6 miles on this thing. This is what they didn't really like, okay? This is your throttle button, and then these are your brakes right here. So let's kind of, we're going to make this a little tighter and put this maybe right there. Okay, so let me tighten this down, and we'll take her for a spin. We are ready to go, and you'll notice 58.6 volts. I have been charging this thing up. I had both the chargers going, which is really, really nice. We are on mode 1, and I wish it would just show you on the screen if you were in Eco or Turbo. I don't know. So we're just going to go out and hit this thing. Oh, okay. Well, the kids were in their, well, they're in their 20s. Brett just turned 21, by the way. And they took off in third gear and just flew down the road. I'm going to learn more about this very, very quickly. I do want to lower the camera. Oh, crap. This thing, he wants to fly. Yeah, let's go up. So I'm in third, which, oh, wow. Okay, this is, this is powerful. So we're going to go down the normal route that we take. I will tell you already, if you look at the way this thing is set up, I need to move this in because my fingers are kind of confused. This is your throttle right here, and then I have my middle finger and the other finger on the actual brake, and it's just kind of confusing. That's okay. Let's, I guess we'll go into dual mode. We may have to come up the hill single and dual mode just to see what's happening. I can tell you I feel the suspension already, and I like the wide. Oh, wow. These brakes are amazing. Okay. I like the wide board that you stand on right here where the batteries are located. Yeah. And because I have 2 motors, I'm anticipating great things for torque hill. But I can tell you right here, I'm loving the suspension. This is perfect. This is, whoa, the brakes are really touchy. They are so good, they're scary good. Oh my goodness, okay. Look at this. This little board is absorbing all of the shock of this road, and this is a terrible, terrible road. And these brakes, oh, you gotta be ready for the stopping force. That's crazy. So I'm basically just coasting right now. And I can jump up and down. Here you go. Yeah. I love the suspension. I really do. All right. We are going to go up Torque Hill. And with all of our scooters and electric bikes and even the motorcycle, anything above 12, holy moly! Wait a second. That's not even possible. That's 23. Holy crap. I can feel the handlebar lifting. It's so powerful. Oh my gosh. Okay, well this is flying colors right here. She's going up this like it's nothing. Whoa. That's 25 right there. Whoa. All right, let's turn around and we'll see. We'll come up the hill with just the, let's do single motor this time and see if we can tell a difference, okay? Holy mackerel. Now I've tested the other scooter. I don't want to name names, but that scooter was like $2,500. It had dual motors. This is half the price. And this feels more powerful than that one. Leoout. I'm loving this thing. Okay, we'll let this truck come around here. And with the range of this, you need something to get to school or to work. Yeah, absolutely. This is worth the money. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. We're going to turn around. And then we're just going to go up this with, this is single mode. This is one motor doing all the work. I'm going 14, 13. It's doing it fine with just one motor. There's your 12, 13, 12. These are powerful motors. 2,800 watts, 52 volts. Oh, I love this thing. Okay. So that's 13 still. I wish the instrument cluster was a little brighter. It's kind of hard to see it. I'm going to change the position of it too. Now let's do this. Wow. Okay, she'll turn. She turns crazy good. Let's go back down and we're going to go to dual mode. We're going to have a lot of fun again. I'm thinking I want to put my other foot in front. Let's go up this way. Let's see if we can do it this way. This is not how I slalom when I'm water skiing, so this feels a little different to me. Oh my gosh. 18. I keep letting off the throttle. It is so fast, I keep letting off the throttle. 24, 25, 27. There's no way this is that fast. Oh my God. Woo! Okay. That should be illegal. That is so much fun. Okay. Well, between the boys riding it and me riding it, I think we're ready to grade this thing on fit, form, and function. I can even put my legs, I don't know if you can see this, I can even stand on it like this, like an old lady. Now this is how I slalom. Yeah, I'm a right foot back person, left foot in front. This is, oh, yeah, we got to get back and grade this. I'm going to tell you, it's getting really high marks. For the price and the power, absolutely. This is perhaps the easiest fit, form, and function grade I've ever given. I mean, this thing is amazing. So on fit, the way it came out of the box, it was a little difficult to put some of this together. You have the fenders on the front and the back, not a big deal, but it's the styrofoam. That stuff just got everywhere. And even after, how many miles? 8 miles, it's still kind of hanging around. So I don't like that styrofoam. Other than that though, it was fantastic. So we're going to give it an A- for fit. Form, the way the bike looks, well, I love it. This gold and the black, you've got the Leoout name right here. You have your voltage that's available to you. You have headlights, you have turn signals, you have a horn, and you have Eco Turbo, and of course, 1, 2 motors. Yes, we're going to give it an A+ for form, function. I love it. I really, really do. With the suspension that will do this, absolutely. I could go anywhere in this thing. You got those 10-inch off-road tires. And look at, yeah, look how much give you have in the suspension. You have the power, came up torque hill at 26, 27 miles an hour. Even with just one motor, it was doing 13 and 14. This thing is unbelievably fast, and I love it. So function, absolutely an A. Overall, we're giving it an A for less than $1,000 with the coupon they have right now. You can have so much fun, and the range is incredible. I love it. Everything about this thing is just beautiful. Okay, you can get it with the seat or without the seat. So if you do buy one, you can go to the website and add the seat. If you want to actually sit down and do your cruising like this, I think it's like $75 to add a seat. I wouldn't. I would stand up and smile all the way to work or to school or to class or to the lake or to your friend's house or to the grocery store, wherever you want to take it. This thing is amazing. So a huge thank you to Leoout for letting me test drive that SX10. It's a beautiful, beautiful scooter. I highly recommend it. We're going to have more information for you down below in the description box. Please check it out. And if you are looking for one, we're giving this 2 thumbs up. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. We're back with another electric bike review, or an electric scooter review, or an electric motorcycle review, or we're going to, keep working on those cars like we do with our other videos. I'm going to go take this for a spin again. I really am. I'm going to come up that hill at 27 miles an hour with the wind blowing and just enjoy every second of it. All right, everybody. See you later. Bye-bye.